In this video, we'll walk you through using the powerful REST client extension in Visual Studio Code to test APIs directly within your code editor. For this, open Visual Studio on your computer. Then click on Extensions at the left pane. In the search field, search for REST Client by Huachao Mao. Then click on Install button next to it. If you have successfully installed, create a new file. Press Ctrl+S to save the file and give any name to it and save it as .http extension as shown here. Now write HTTP requests here. Click the Send Request link that appears above each request. Responses will appear in a separate pane within VS Code, showing status codes, headers, and response bodies. You can play with this request and try to get only one data. You can see I am getting one data. Now use query string and get data based on id. So I am getting data with ID 2. In this way we can use REST client extension in VS Code and play and test API in few seconds. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.